Is it illegal to ride a bike on a sidewalk in Colorado? Biking is an increasingly popular mode of transportation in Colorado, and for good reason. Biking is an affordable, eco-friendly, and healthy way to get around town. However, many bikers are unsure of the laws surrounding biking on sidewalks, which can lead to confusion and potential legal issues. Overview of Colorado bike laws. According to Colorado state law, bikes are considered vehicles and are subject to the same rules of the road as cars and trucks. In addition, Colorado state law requires that bikes be equipped with certain safety features, such as brakes and a bell or horn. Bikers must also use hand signals when turning or stopping, and they must ride on the right side of the road. While Colorado state law provides a general framework for bike safety and regulation, the specifics of bike laws can vary from city to city and county to county. This means that it is important to know the laws in your particular area when biking. Biking on sidewalks in Colorado. As we mentioned earlier, Colorado state law considers bikes to be vehicles, which means that bikers are generally expected to ride on the road. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. In many Colorado cities, it is legal to bike on the sidewalk as long as you do so in a safe and considerate manner. It is important to note that even in cities where biking on the sidewalk is legal, there are some important safety considerations to keep in mind. First and foremost, bikers must always yield to pedestrians on the sidewalk. This means that bikers should ride at a slow speed and be prepared to stop or slow down if necessary. In addition, bikers should be aware of the potential hazards of riding on the sidewalk, such as uneven pavement or obstacles in the path. Bikers should also be aware that drivers may not be looking for bikers on the sidewalk, which can lead to accidents. Denver and other Colorado municipalities. Cities have authority under Colorado law to establish municipal ordinances that control when you can ride a bike on a sidewalk within the city. Municipal ordinances can establish rules for the entire city or different rules for specific parts of town. That is common in downtown areas and highly trafficked areas around schools and tourist attractions. Alternatives to biking on the sidewalk. While biking on the sidewalk can be a convenient and safer option in some cases, there are also alternatives to consider. Bikers may choose to ride on the road, use bike lanes, take bike paths or trails, or use bike share programs. Bike paths and trails can be a great way to enjoy nature and get some exercise while biking. Many cities have dedicated bike paths or trails that are separate from roads and offer a more relaxed biking experience. Liability for injured caused by a bike on a sidewalk. If a bicyclist causes an accident resulting in injuries while riding on a sidewalk in Colorado, liability for those injuries falls to the person acting negligently or breaking a roadway law. If a state or local law prohibits the cyclist from riding on the sidewalk, the bicyclist is most likely responsible for causing a pedestrian accident. Under rare circumstances, a pedestrian could be liable for causing a bicycle accident when the pedestrian's own negligent or intentional acts caused the collision. If you suffer injuries in an accident involving a bicycle, including a sidewalk accident, contact our Denver bicycle accident lawyers for a free consultation. You may be entitled to compensation from the negligent party's insurance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the legality of biking on sidewalks in Colorado varies depending on the city and the specific circumstances. While biking on the sidewalk can be legal in some areas, bikers must always yield to pedestrians and ride in a safe and considerate manner. It is important for bikers to be aware of the potential hazards of riding on the sidewalk and to consider alternative biking options, such as riding on the road or using bike paths or trails.